This is a new opening near Splendor, which is ready for fit out. Splendor Trade Tower, which is ready for fit out. So this road has opened up, which is going towards Sector 63, M3M Golf State, and lot of other projects of MRMGF. This is JMD's commercial building, which is, I hope, civil work has already been done. Outer facades and things are like being developed. This is a new road which has come up. This is a litigation area, but this road is almost through. So this is a new development near Extension Road. That is Heritage 1, which is finishing its civil work. Now civil work is being finished. This is correct. So this is a new addition to this part of Gurgaon. So this is the whole area of Gurgaon, which is being developed by MRMGF. This is Emerald Floor, almost ready for possessions. Emerald Floor is ready for possession. Emerald Estate construction is going on. So I hope in Gurgaon construction is happening very fast. Road work is going on. So development all around Gurgaon is happening. This is a Splendor Trade Tower, which is totally ready for fit outs. Very big part of it is being leased out to a very renowned bank. This is Sun City's development of commercial building. JMD Ampere is being constructed and getting ready. I hope within next 1.5 years the possession will be given to the owners of the JMD commercial building. Sector roads are being made. Sector roads, internal sector roads of this area is being made, which is very near to Golf Course Extension Road. This is the area where a lot of land is being owned by MRMGF, IREO and Krish. So the development is moving in a very fast pace. Investors are very happy of these areas because they are getting good appreciation by investing in these areas. This is Unitech Close, in which around 80 to 90% is the occupancy. St. Xavier's School over here, which is St. Xavier's School, which is famous and very renowned we are on Extension Road. This is Palm Drive. This is Palm Drive, which is near completion. Possession is Acquisition can happen anytime. OC has already been applied by MRMGF. They are expecting OC in next 10 to 15 days. These are the two commercial buildings which is ready to fit out. Lot of corporates are visiting these areas. Anytime these all three commercial buildings will be leased out. Lot of availability will be as far as residential is concerned. These are the three banks which has already taken these areas. ICICI Bank has come, SBBJ has come. So commercial activities have started on Golf Course Extension Road, and the most important thing that Golf Course Extension Road is being extended to NH8, and the biggest problem point of the problem point where Extension Road is joining to Sona Road is being cleared. Now the road work has already been started by Huda, so you can see the stoppage point is being cleared. Now this 500 meter was the problem to the connection of Golf Course Extension Road to the NH8. Now this is clear, so the complete Golf Course Extension Road will be clear in next 6 months to 8 months. So now from Faridabad Road, NH8 is being linked. In next 6 months, you can travel from Faridabad to NH8 through Golf Course Extension Road. You can well see the start of making of this small connection of 500 meters. Work is being done in full swing. You can go by this road. This is Bestech Business Tower. That is Space Plazo commercial building, which is going to be ready in next 3 to 4 months. The construction is in full swing of Tata Primanti. After completion of this road, all these properties will hot up once again. You can well imagine. Road work is going on in full swing. I hope 6 months down the line this road will get connected to that Sona Road or Extension Road, and then the real appreciation will happen in these areas, because after this 500 meter this road has already been made till NH8. So by connecting this 500 meter, the whole Extension Road will open to NH8. All the Unitech projects will appreciate like anything. This Tata Primanti will appreciate, Spage will appreciate, Spage Privy Sector 72 project will appreciate, this Tatwam Village, all the projects will get its appreciation, which is due from last 1.5 years due to this 500 meter blockage of the Extension Road connecting to NH8. So all this will happen in next 6 months to 1 year. So this is the good time to invest in this area of Gurgaon in fresh booking or resale units, so investors can look into these areas. The proactiveness of the government by making this service road. Yes, there was some time delay in making this service road, but after deliberation of 1 year or maybe 1.5 years, now the service road is complete. This Sona Road is complete with both the sides. We have service road and 3-lane road, so this is massive. Now Sona Road is looking like better road than Golf Course Road. You can well see Sona Road as a central point of whole of Gurgaon, because Sona Road is in the center of Gurgaon. You can cater to the Golf Course side of Gurgaon, you can cater to the new Gurgaon side of the Gurgaon by living on or investing on near Sona Road. This is Vipul Tech Center, Trade Center. This over here we have a Volkswagen showroom, or is it? That's all. एक ही साथ. आप देख सकते हैं कैसे सर्विस रोड्स वगैरह सोना रोड पे सारी बनी हुई हैं, बन गई हैं. अब यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी डिलीवरीज आने वाली है. CHD का डिलीवरी आने वाला है नेक्स्ट 6 to 8 मंथ्स में. स्पेस 72 प्रीवी प्रोजेक्ट का डिलीवरी आने वाला है. ट्यूलिप अपने 3-4 दो प्रोजेक्ट्स की ऑलरेडी डिलीवरी कर चुका है. सो देयर इज अ ह्यूज वॉल्यूम विच इज सपोज टू कम ऑन सोना रोड. सो दैट इज द रीजन वाई गवर्नमेंट हैज प्रोएक्टिवली made the infrastructure usable, feasible for the commuters. So this is Space Hi-Tech Park. Last 6 months Space Hi-Tech Park में तकरीबन 6 लाख से 8 लाख स्क्वायर फीट लीज आउट हुआ है to all IT companies. So डेवलपमेंट ओवरऑल गुड़गांव में हो रही है. काफ़ी सारे नए लोग आ रहे हैं. यार है उसमें काफ़ी सारी लीजिंग हुई है. इधर स्पेस प्लैटिनम रेडी है. सेंट्रल पार्क का सर्विस अपार्टमेंट ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हो गया है, जो कि सेंट्रल पार्क ने 5,000 के रेट से बेचना शुरू किया था. आज की डेट में इसका मार्केट वैल्यू 10,000 के आसपास है, 10,000 पर स्क्वायर फीट, जिसमें आप देख सकते हो. सेंट्रल पार्क, इसको हम द रूम्स भी कहते हैं. फसाड वगैरह सारा बना दिया इन्होंने. बिल्डिंग इज ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. सुभाष चौक पे फ्लाईओवर इज बीइंग मेड, एंड व्हेन वी गो लेफ्ट ऑफ सुभाष चौक टुवर्ड्स हीरो होंडा चौक, देयर इज अ small SEZ of Unitech, in which of late 8 lakh square feet is being rented to a UK based HR company. So as a whole, if we can conclude this whole presentation of the Gurgaon, we can conclude that there is a huge upsurge in the incoming of people to Gurgaon. New companies are coming to Gurgaon, so there is no way how real estate appreciation will not happen. Yes, real estate में भी काफी appreciation हो रहा है. So these are the buildings in which new MNCs are coming. ये Unitech का SEZ है. 24-25 एकड़ में. ये रोड भी काफी वाइड हो गया है. So lot of infrastructural work is going on in Gurgaon. Here I end my presentation. Thank you.